Around the world, people use many different types of fuels to heat their homes, cook their food, and power industrial facilities. One of the cleanest fuel options is natural gas, a colorless and odorless gas that is created from organic matter far under the Earth's surface. Natural gas isn't a gas liquid like gasoline. It's a gas like air, and it's trapped in rock far below the Earth's surface. Once the natural gas is collected at the surface, it is sent through pipelines to an LNG processing plant. An LNG processing plant works like a giant refrigerator that turns warm natural gas into a cold liquid called liquefied natural gas, or LNG. LNG is colorless, odorless, non-corrosive, non-toxic, non-flammable, and non-explosive. By cooling natural gas to negative 162 degrees Celsius, you can take the same amount of gas that would fill 600 vessels and send it overseas in just one ship, called an LNG carrier.
This is liquefied natural gas. It's colorless, odorless, and non-toxic, but very cold. As you know, natural gas does not occur in nature as a liquid. Only when we cool natural gas to 260 degrees below zero does it become a liquid. If we attach the balloon to the top of the container, we can see it filling up with natural gas as the LNG warms. You may think this liquid form of natural gas is dangerously flammable like gasoline, but it's significantly different. We can even extinguish a burning cigarette in liquefied natural gas because the liquid is not flammable. And what would happen if liquefied natural gas were spilled into the water? We'll show you something using these goldfish. Not to worry, we won't harm the fish. If LNG were spilled onto open water, the liquefied natural gas would not mix with water because it's insoluble. You can see that it warms rapidly, like it's boiling, and evaporates off rapidly and completely. This means that a liquefied natural gas spill would not require any environmental cleanup, because once it evaporates, there's nothing left. When we add LNG to this glass of water, the liquefied natural gas evaporates, and it's perfectly safe to drink.
The four main elements of the LNG value chain are 1. Exploration and production, 2. Liquefaction, 3. Shipping, 4. Storage and regasification. At the receiving terminal, LNG is unloaded and stored before being regasified and transported by pipe to the end users.
The liquefied natural gas, or LNG, is stored in large insulated tanks until it is ready for shipment. Pipes connect the storage tank to a loading jetty. Regardless of outside temperatures, the LNG inside the tanks and loading facility remains at negative 260 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 162 degrees Celsius. The LNG is then pumped into specially designed LNG ships. LNG shipping tankers transfer natural gas around the world. Some of the largest LNG ships, such as the Q-Max, are longer than 60 city buses. And each Q-Max LNG ship carries enough natural gas to power 70,000 homes for 1 year.